Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be about shock O-ring testing. Everybody knows, a lot of people know on the HB shocks for the 8-scale vehicles, the lowered O-rings tend to leak. And it gets better with time as the O-rings swell up a little bit, but you can see this one has been leaking pretty good. This is probably the worst one. So I've got what I think is a solution. I tried this once before with good success. I found some silicone O-rings on Amazon, and they tend to swell up just a tiny bit more through a little bit of time. And I've ran them in the nitro buggy so far a couple of times, and it hasn't leaked a drop. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing another test video on the e-buggy. So before I get started with that, I'm going to load these up with these new O-rings, and we're going to see the results. As I'm going to have some on-track footage, and once I'm done, I'll have at least 2 or 3 good runs on them, and I'll come back and we'll see what the results are. So hang in there, I'll be right back.
The hammer is being loud. The hammer is being good. The hammer is being three. The hammer is being one. The hammer 124 program. The hammer 19.4.
Initial results from the O-rings are back. I had one leak. I took it off and it was a little loose. The cap was a little loose, so I'm going to give it some more time. The other 3 were fine before. All 4 were leaking. So I think with just like any other O-ring, you got to give it a little time, let them swell up a little bit after some use. I've got about 15 or 20 minute run time on this one, about 10 minute run time on the nitro buggy, and I've had 1 out of 8 shocks leak. So it wasn't bad, and as a matter of fact, you couldn't even see any coming out if you pump it real hard. Couldn't see any come out. So my initial thoughts are it's better. I'm going to give it some time. I think it will clear up and be better than the original O-ring. So I'm going to put the link in the description. If you want to try it, feel free to do it. It only costs you $7, and they definitely don't leak as much as the factory ones. So I'm going to give it some more time, and I'll get back with you on another video with long-term test results. I think they're going to be fine. I've tested them once before, and I was happy with them. It's been a long time, so I can't remember exactly what the results were, but I ran out, and I started running other ones. Hadn't had a problem for a while until recently. So I'm going to do some more long-term testing, and I'll get back with another video. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.